Hello Year 8, just put this together, this video, just to give a little bit of feedback from the recent computer lesson and the homework, where we were looking to talk about where we go, and we're looking at the verb to go and trying to bring it together with some of the places in town we'd already done. Just a little bit of feedback in general then. So obviously the objective is to review the EBI points, say where we go. So there's general feedback on what went well. Most worksheets showed an understanding of the use of the verb to go in the first person, as well as a sound knowledge of the places in town, which was pleasing. Obviously knowing boy, constructions of a and el, and that was a focus of one of the lesson. We're inconsistent a little bit, and we need to try and practice these a little bit more. I'll come on to these things in a second. Okay, so the first thing is the verb to go. Voy, vas, va, vamos, vais, van. It's imperative you know at least the first three persons of the verb, so I go, you go, or he and she goes. Especially for this worksheet, we needed all 6 of them really, but for the extended bits, there was a definite need to be able to do the third person with one of the questions I'll come on to in a minute. So it was this one where it says Ella no va, doesn't go. So ella no va al cine or a la Plaza de Toros. It was actually a la Plaza de Toros. So be aware when you're talking about somebody else, okay, third person. So somebody else's name, so ella or anybody else in the class, no va, third person. A lot of people put it as boy, so be aware of that one. And there we go, Ella doesn't go to the bull ring. Okay, next one then is odiar, to hate. Again, this was a continuation of the previous one. So because she hates bullfights is what we're looking to try and say. So por qué, not odio. You've got odias and odia. So we need to choose the right verb. A lot of people put odio because they'd already seen it. But odio means I hate. So we need to choose this one, odia, for she hates. Las corridas, bullfights. Okay, the next little bit then is gustar, to like. So this was more in the extension really, and the things that you were trying to write. So people obviously know, we know me gusta, ir, I like to go. Le gusta means he or she likes to go. Okay, so remember, it's not me gusta boy, but it's me gusta ir, to go. Boy means I go, and we wouldn't say I like, I go. So if you want to say my mum likes, a mi madre le gusta ir, and we can use that with lots of different things. So a mi padre, a mi hermano, a Stephen, le gusta. So a plus a name plus le gusta, he or she likes to do something. So we've got this one now. A mi madre le gusta ir al parque. My mum likes to go to the park. And then this other bit came up where people want to say to do something. So you'd say para jugar, para comer, para ver. So in order to play, in order to eat, in order to see. So again, the full sentence now might be a mi madre le gusta ir al parque para jugar y comer. Again, it just extends the sentence a little bit more. Okay, finally, we're just going to look at this connective que. So que means which in this sense as a connective, and we're looking for you to use it like this: voy con mis amigos, que es fantástico. So I go with my friends, which is fantastic. Okay, which the idea of it is fantastic. We've used it before with que se llama, who is called. So it can mean which, it can also mean who. Gracias por escuchar. Hopefully in the next writing piece we can try and iron out some of these issues. Okay, muy bien.